how to find all accounts linked to my email address. So if you want to find all accounts linked to my email address, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with the Google and search for myaccount.google.com/security and tap on the first option and make sure to log in to that interface. Now, once you've logged in, you will get this kind of interface. Make sure that you're under the desktop side. Go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on desktop side. Now, once you're done here, if you scroll down, you will find third-party apps and services. So just simply tap on see all connections. And here you will have all of the apps and services in which you've signed in or created your account. So you can scroll down and find all of the websites or apps right here. And here, if you go with sign in with Google, you'll have 24 apps and services. And if you go with Access, you will have 5 apps and services, which is Contacts, Drive, Gmail, YouTube, and other accounts access. So if you want to remove something like remove the access to your YouTube, then just simply tap on YouTube and tap on the application and you will have remove access right here. So you just need to simply go with remove access, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Or on the right side, you will have linked accounts. So if you want to find the accounts that are linked to your email address, then here you will have linked accounts. Under that, you will have linked accounts. So that's how you can find all of your accounts linked to your email address. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.